Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2013 Ford F150. I'm going to start our walk around on the driver's side, stopping right up front to look at the tires. Good tread there. Just looking for dents, dings, scratches. A little mark right there in the door. They have added some step assist here, helping to get in and out of this truck. It does have the full 6-foot bed. We come around to the back, trailer tows included. One little crack in the bumper there. More little spot there. Nothing major. Inside the truck, you do get multiple adjustments for the driver's seat. It's a nice gray cloth seating. 126,489 is your current mileage. You've got AM, FM. Aftermarket stereo has been added. It does have a CD player. It is touchscreen. And then all your climate control functionality is going to be just below it there. You do have vinyl floors, some additional cup holders, storage in this bench seat, and then this 6-passenger arrangement can turn into 5 if you let that armrest down. All the flooring looks good, easy to clean up. Looking in the back seat now, just do a nice slow pan over the seating surface. Back seats look great, no signs of rips or tears back here. You can flip that seat up, revealing a little extra storage space. Looking inside the bed, full spray-in bed liner. We'll finish up on the passenger side, taking one more look around the back seat. Take one more look over the seating surface here, and then we'll go ahead and set this armrest down, showing you that 5-passenger arrangement. And that's going to wrap up your Ford F-150.